front stretch, back stretch. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go and see the backward air conditioning. Come on. It's a bit of a walk, isn't it? Well, somebody knows where they're going. Come on, this way. So, winter's coming. I thought we'd try a heat pump out. We've actually got two. We've got this one round here, which is just a regular AC. Luckily the window keeps the water off. I've got a thermal sensor there. I'll show you the inside of that. See? The blind dog leads the way. Right, Steve? He always knows where he's going. Come on. There it is. It's like on autopilot. You know exactly where you're going and what you're doing, don't you? Hey, in you go. Hey. In. And you. Put the lights on. So that's the other side of it. It's plugged into one of these thermal switches. This is set up for 40 degrees. So when it gets to 40 degrees outside, it turns this off. It's working relatively well. Because quite a large space. It's 64 degrees in here now. We've got a backup regular oil heater plugged into another one to take over when the heat pump gives up at 40 degrees. So far so good. This is the other one. That's another roof leak. Right at the very top there was one of those seams that had been collecting water, so we cut that open. That got rid of like 95% of it. And then it rained again. We got a little bit of rain coming in, so I had to seal all the overlapping joins. That so far seems to have fixed it. So we actually purchased a proper heating air pump. It wasn't that window, it was too noisy, so we moved into this the other side of the wall. So far that heat pump has kept more or less that whole building warm. Well, all through October and into around first week in November. And most of the time has been spent cleaning this area up. Well, that room. I had a couple of bad windows there, so we've not got much done outside. Have we, kids? We'll be out for a while now. Right, let me show you the rest of this. So that's the other side of the heat pump. A little bit of fancy ductwork. Most of the heat goes through there and into the other room, which is the main house, and then some spills into here. I added a little bit of tape there just to balance it off. And again, oil-filled radiator, and 72 degrees in here. It is set to turn the radiator on at 70. So far so good. There's the result of all those leaks. Just nasty. And with all the fiberglass that's above these ceiling tiles, it just holds the water all the time. So all the ceiling tiles in this room have been stripped out, and they're the actual trusses going that way. So I just added a piece in to make them into 2x2s, but A-rated fire-rated tiles, and dropped them in. So it looks quite nice now. So the rest of it will get ripped out and cleaned up. And now there's no fiberglass up here anymore. Let's go on. Flashlight. So it's quite an interesting ceiling. So you see the braces put in. No fiberglass means if any water does leak, it'll just dry out quite quickly. Backed one with plywood to support the smoke detector, and a backed one with insulated board, just to see how effective the insulation is, and even if it's needed. But it's an incredible construction. This is a mezzanine, so I've been meaning to do this ceiling for a while, just to try it out, and it seems to work quite well. Okay, that's enough of that. I find myself coming in the morning and just sitting in that chair, having me coffee, thinking about what I'm not going to accomplish today. But here we are. It is. I've got no eyes, but you know, I'm just going to do dog stuff. How does he do that? Oh, just what we needed to see you peeing. Look, he knows he's getting near the gate and everything. Incredible. Oop, he banged into it. That was a surprise, wasn't it? So, I wanted to find that so I can get rid of these extension cords. Ah, Stevie. Come on guys, let's go back. So that cable is just over there. Couldn't find it in the launch control center. Gonna pull that up next. I'm gonna shut the dogs in so they don't fall down it. And I know that's a cable junction box, but it may be in there. I'll find out. Right, where are we going next? Let's go to the new woodshed. Come on. This way. We have a little path down to the new woodshed, which he's found. Come on, Steve. You see the junk's building up now. Started to clear that through. Ran out of time on that one. Come on, you dogs. So the gutters and the seams are sealed, that's working well. Ran out of gutters, but I've got some channel there that I've just put up in the my new spot. So bring an IBC, empty one there, wood, process it, drop it in there. We're not looking at that. The one thing about being here is it's very sheltered. There's no wind. It's great. Whereas in the other woodshed it was horrible in the winter. Right, that's it. That's all the updates. Later. Bye now.